Hey everyone, good afternoon. Hello. How are you guys? Yan. So, happy Friday, guys. Um, I hope you're all doing great. My name is Jen. Welcome to this group. So, impromptu lang. I just decided to go live before maubos yung hawak ko na stock. Hi, Jen! Hello! Parang I'm like saying hi to myself. Hi, sis Jen! Hi, Jen Ortiz! Ayan. So, thank you so much for watching. Alam niyo guys, kasi recently, we launched a new product. And alam ko naman na marami sa inyo avid fans na ng mga sunblock, ganyan. So, yung product na we came up with, it is actually, hi Miss Jess! Hello po! Happy afternoon! So, it's a product that hi Zane! Hello! Ayan. So, we recently came up with a product na, actually, for me, sobrang nagulat din ako kasi alam ko, ako personally, I've been using a sunblock na for a long time. So, hindi naman long time, but ever since I started taking care of my skin, I've gotten more conscious about, yung mga sun exposure, ganyan. Kasi naisip ko, or nalaman ko din through this community na, although you take care of your skin, but if you don't prevent that wrinkles, yung mga additional lines that pwedeng ma-develop because of sun exposure, then sayang lang din yung mga efforts natin. Of course, it helps, no? Na we take care of our skin, na we remove and erase the lines, pero the real cause of it, aside from aging, is really the exposure to the sun. So, hindi lang sun, but it's also yung mga UVA, UVB, UVC na nakukuha natin from laser, from screen times natin like cellphone, laptop, ganyan. So, I recently got a stock of sets of this new product. And nagsisimula na kasi siyang maubos. So, bago mangyari yun, I decided to test it on myself. No? So, samahan niyo ako kasi I'm gonna use it for myself. And just as a background, what I've been using for new skin is that there's ang dami, diba? Madaming products that you can use. So, meron tayong mga, of course, the face wash na minsan brightening, may vitamin C, anti-aging, diba? Pero we also have our toners, we have our serums na anti-aging, brightening, whitening, ganyan. So, yun yung isa sa mga products na ginagamit ko. So, napansin nyo, may chismis dito. What happened kasi here is that nag-try ako magpalit ng cleanser. Okay, so for the longest time, ang gamit kong cleanser ay normal to combination. Tinry ko yung dry kasi feeling ko minsan dry yung skin ko. Yun pala, hindi. Hindi pala talaga siya dry. Kulang lang ako ng moisturizer. So, pag naglagay ako ng moisturizer, hindi na siya dry. So, how do I explain that? Nung gumamit ako ng super dry, ng cleanser na really for dry skin, what happened was, parang na-overstimulate yung skin ko. Nagkaroon ako ng breakout dito. So, unfortunately, ito yung consequences of trying, parang trial and error din. So, sometimes I do that, kasi I also am learning, no? So, buti na lang meron tayong mga product specialists. So, they also share their knowledge with us. But in general, I'm very happy with how my skin is. I think it's fairly clear. And, pag nirarub ko kasing ganyan, parang feeling ko dry. Pero hindi pala. Kulang lang talaga siya sa processes. Like, kunwari, baka nag-wash ako ng face, which I did, pero hindi ako naglagay ng toner, hindi ako naglagay ng serum, hindi ako naglagay ng moisturizer. So, ang feeling niya as if dry. Pero hindi talaga. Yung microbiome ng skin ko is more like really towards the normal side. Hindi siya combination. Very rarely that you get to see me oily talaga. Siguro kung tipong hindi ako naghilamos ng 2 days, mga ganun. Pero very rarely talaga. So, more on the normal side. And if left unchecked na hindi ko iningatan, then it becomes like dry. Okay. So, anyway, I ordered a few pieces of this, pero kasi nagsisimula na siyang maubos. So, it's because some of my friends have been getting it. This is our newly launched Sunlight Solar Screen Mineral Face Sunscreen. Ang haba ng pangalan. Okay, wait. Hindi yun yung totoong pangalan niya. Mas mahaba pa. The name is Sunlight Solar Screen Mineral Face Sunscreen SPF 50 plus PA plus 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 plus. Okay, so it actually matters like how many pluses you heard, no? So I'll share more about that, no? But I've learned when I watched the video about it, sobrang na-amaze din ako kasi akala ko maganda na yung ginagamit namin before. I was actually sad kasi na-phase out yung Sunlight na yung malaking tube for body. Ito kasi for face lang. So, na-phase out siya, pero yun pala, papalitan nila ng maraming products pa. So, wait lang tayo. Although I have stock from US and Australia, kapag kailangan nyo lang ng sunblock, let me know kasi I can definitely share it with you. Okay, so it's water resistant and it promises 80 minutes of, at least 80 minutes of sun protection. It covers UVA and UVB protection. But wait, there's more. So, essentially, this product is 50 ml. Okay, 50 ml or like 1.7 fluoro ounces. Tama ba? Yeah. Okay. So anyway, I have one here that's, I think that did I open it? Here. Ito. Hihiwalay ko para hindi maghalo. Kasi minsan nangyayari yun sa akin. Nabuksan ko na, tapos nahalo ko sa unopened batch, tapos hahanapin ko isa-isa. Okay. So, what happens here is that, ang sabi dito, have your fun in the sun the safe way. This fragrance-free mineral sunscreen was developed for all skin types and to absorb quickly. It provides light hydration, so medyo moisturizing siya. It has antioxidants and UV protection. So smooth it on, relax, and enjoy the day. And directions is apply a generous amount over face and neck for at least 20 minutes before sun exposure. Reapply after 80 minutes of swimming or sweating. Immediately after towel drying, at least every 2 hours. Use as a last step in your skincare routine. So on top of your makeup kung meron. Do not stay too long in the sun, so may caution pa rin tayo, even while using a sunscreen product because you don't know how harsh the sun is because of pollution. Mga ozone layers natin are being eroded. So, ang main ingredient niya is water, zinc oxide, dimethicone, butyl glycol. So, I'll explain later why this matters, okay? So, basically, maraming mga skincare products out there, no? So, let's talk about the rating. When I shared with you, it's 4 pluses. And basically, what it says is that meron ka makikita ng mga sunblock na PA+, PA++, PA++++. Tas ito for 4 pluses. What it means is that it provides, unlike the other brands or the other types of product that you would see, it offers extremely high UVA protection. UVA is the type of UV light that actually penetrates our skin. Yeah. So, hindi siya na-absorb ng ozone layer. Talagang it goes through and it goes to our skin. So, ang maganda lang dito is that since this is a mineral sunscreen, this is actually known as a physical barrier. Kumbaga, when you apply it, it has a physical barrier on your skin mismo. So, that's why it matters kung water resistant siya. So, kunwari, you go decide na mag-swimming ka or outdoor sports or nag-gardening ka lang, pinagpawisan ka, pagpawis mo, ginanon mo, pwede siyang mabura. That's why it's important na habang gumagamit tayo ng sunscreen, aware din tayo ano yung mga occasions wherein we need to wear it. Actually, kahit nasa bahay ka, ito, yung may glare ng light na to, um, this is also UV rays. Pero syempre, because I'm sort of indoors, merong sort of protection. I'm sorry. But it's not complete. So, whether gabi, whether umaga, meron pa rin tayong sun exposure. Believe it or not. Okay, so hindi totoo yung kapag cloudy, wag ka na maglagay. Kapag indoors ka, wag ka maglagay. Especially if you already have concerns like kunwari may developing melasma ka na, malakas yung pangingitim mo or pamumula mo pag nabibilad ka sa araw. So, all the more na medyo prone yung skin mo. For people who have fairer skin, medyo mas maputi, medyo mas mamula-mula, parang mabilis talaga silang mag-burn versus people who have darker skin. Medyo it takes a while because to begin with, mataas na yung melatonin production in their skin. But anyway, I won't go so much into the science. Baka mag-choke kayo sa lunch nyo. So kanina, no, sabi ko, it's a physical sunscreen, meaning yung application mo itself, okay, parang it's possible na for some sunscreens, they leave a white cast. Okay, they leave a white cast on the skin. So parang pag nilagay mo, medyo maputi-puti. But the promise of this product is that it's easily absorbed and it leaves no white residue. That's why it's so amazing. Kasi physical sunscreens would always beat yung mga chemical sunscreens. Ano yung chemical? Yung mga sinasabi nilang organic sunscreens. Actually, the UV light still goes through. It still penetrates the skin. Pero medyo, ano man tawag doon? Medyo ina-alter niya yung wavelength para hindi siya masyadong damaging to the skin. But it still goes through. That's why, kung mamimili ka kung physical or mineral versus organic or chemical, dun ka na sa mineral like this. Okay? So, yung example sa mga dapat yung hanapin is like yung titanium dioxide tsaka zinc oxide, which we have here. For others na you need to avoid na types of sunscreen, yung mga avobenzone, mga homosalate, octinoxate, octisalate, ganyan. Octocrylene, yan yung mga kailangan yung iwasan. Okay, so, itong product na to, I mean, I guess mga Filipinos there's two groups of Filipinos, or maybe three. One who really prefers their skin whiter, one who really does not care, and then may mga tao na they actually prefer it when they have darker skin kasi feeling nila yun talaga yung asset nila. No? So, depende naman diba? So, lahat naman tayo meron. But I think the reason ako personally why I like to use sunscreen is because I'm afraid of skin cancer. Yes, it really does happen. I'm afraid of developing yung in our youth, maybe there's not a lot of chance, pero eventually as we start to get older, dun lumalabas yung mga possible skin diseases. So, just like in anything with our body, whether internal health mo yan, lung health, heart health, joint health, all of the problems, they surface when you tend to reach the older ages. That's why, kung habang bata ka pa, and if you have the chance to prevent it, then why not, right? And then, as you move along, kunwari, you're not as young, maybe like me, I'm 40 plus, early 40s. So, parang, I do what I can to prevent further damage. Yan. Kasi I was not very careful in the beginning. Okay. So, ngayon, itong product natin na to, it's very lightweight. Sabi nila, hindi ko pa na-try. Ito-try natin together. It's non-comedogenic. For others who are curious what that means, it means, kumbaga, hindi siya nagba-block ng pores mo. I remember when I was much younger, meron akong parang contact dermatitis dito because of dust. So that happens when you have like yung sobrang exposure ka sa pollution, ganon. So at that time, may construction sa office, may construction sa bahay. So parang 24/7 yung skin ko exposed to dust, and that's how I developed it. And then I remember specifically that my derma told me to look for non-comedogenic formulas, which at that time sobrang hirap. I used to travel pa sa Singapore para makabili ng mga it's not Aveeno eh. I think Aven. Yun yung pangalan. It's a French brand. Avene, parang ganon. Na medyo mahal. Tapos hindi ko rin magamit kasi non-comedogenic siya. Pero hindi siya bumubula talaga as in. Parang kapag nilagay mo siya sa katawan mo, hindi ka sure kung nalilinis ba ako. Parang ganon. So, it's so hard, right? I mean, sa kagustuhan ko na mag-improve yung condition ko, I'm also not sure if my body is actually being cleansed. So, that's how difficult it is, right? So, that's why, even then, I started becoming more conscious about the quality of products that I use. So, hindi mo maiwasan eh. Sometimes it's really exposure to the environments that would lead to a unhealthy skin condition for you. And rather than find out kung totoo ba o hindi, parang ako, I'd rather avoid. No? So, so since it's non-comedogenic, it ensures your pores are clear, okay? So, hindi ka magkakos ng pimples, hindi ka magkakos ng sun, blackheads, whiteheads, yan. So, this is really good. So, important din yun, no, when you're finding which products to use for your face, like, kunwari, cleanser, or toner, or serums, moisturizers especially, always look for one that's non-comedogenic. Tapos, okay. So why you will like this is because it provides protection from UV light. Okay, UV light from phones, from screens, from TV, from light bulbs, ganyan. So it's perfect also for kids, even for infants na mga 6 months pataas. Okay, the reason why we want to caution lang people for using it for kids na very, very young. Kasi syempre, to begin with, kids that age, we don't recommend too much sun exposure. Kasi, I mean, yung physically, the kids would be out na naka-expose sa extreme heat, sa extreme sunlight. Parang those are also not good. So, we always recommend na, kunwari, for babies, it's safe na, una, they get their vaccines first. I mean, if you believe in that, tapos nun, you clear with your pedia kung kailan safe si baby lumabas. Diba? So, yeah, na-mention ko na it won't clog your pores. It's safety dermatologist tested. It leaves 0 white residue. Okay? So, tingnan nga natin kung totoo ba. So, hi, Owen. Hi, Ranel. Ba't ako nagkakamali? Wait. Tanggalin natin yung sticker. So, may sticker siya. So, it absorbs instantly daw. Okay, let's try. So, this is the first time that I'm opening it. Oh, kaya yung seal niya nasa labas kasi it's really, wala na siyang seal dito sa loob. So, very narrow yung ano niya to even put a sticker. Okay, so, ayan. Alright? So, lagyan natin ha. Tingnan lang natin kung how it compares. And then, I'll apply sa face. Kasi itong face ko, it's actually bare. Okay? So, we can see kung ano yung effect niya left and right. Right? Okay. Sara natin. Actually, so, wala siyang amoy. Walang amoy. Orasan natin na 12:51. Paid natin. Hindi rin siya sticky. Ang sabi dito, it absorbs instantly and goes on easy. So, madali siyang i-apply actually. Okay? I see. So, dahil it's a physical sunscreen, mapapansin mo pa rin sa balat mo. Hi, sis Claribel. So, makikita mo pa rin sa balat mo na nilagay mo siya. Kumbaga, may ebidensya pa din. Kasi instantly, I can see. I don't know if you can tell. Pero I think magkaiba sila ng kulay. Okay? Pero as to yung dating sinaunang mga sunscreen na talagang puti ng mukha mo, yung ganun. Wala siyang ganun. Hindi siya ganun. So, barely noticeable. Yeah? Yan. Ganyan yung itsura niya. What do you think? Pantay ba yung light? Yeah. So, ganyan siya. Ba't ako ganun humawak? Pwede naman ganun. So, ito yun. O, diba? So, almost the same. Yeah. When I was applying it, I saw na yung puti kumakalat. Pero afterwards, Tuyo na. Tuyo na siya. Okay. So, it aids in skin hydration, which I can tell. Etong side na to, dry. Pakinggan nyo. O, diba? Walang tunog. Ulit. Ito yung wala. Naririnig nyo ba? Tapos, ito yung meron. Wala siya halos tunog. So, ako, one of the surest ways to tell kung dry yung skin is just by rubbing. You would hear it, may tunog, yung may friction, yun yung dry. Okay. So, it contains vitamin E, right? So, yun pa lang, alam na natin ang vitamin E ay very good for the skin. Tocopherol, yan, acetate. Meron din tong bisabolol. Sige, isa-isahin natin. Ano pa? Tapos nun, it's 100% mineral sunscreen. So, full coverage. Physical coverage. Okay? It's water resistant up to 80 minutes, fragrance free. And even the tube was made with conscience kasi it is a 30% recycled material. Right? So, ayan. Hi, Janice. So, anyway, ang mga main ingredients niya, like what I mentioned, zinc oxide, yung bisabolol, which offers the lightweight hydration, kaya medyo moisturizing siya, at saka yung vitamin E. So, it fights yung mga free radicals that are cancer-causing. Okay. So, we recommend this for all ages. Just ask your physician, your pediatrician, for children under 6 months. Pero as early as 6 months, pwede na silang mag-skincare. Diba? So, kasi yung iba, sabihin nila, bata pa naman yan, okay lang yun kahit walang sunscreen. Pero actually, in fact, why would you risk the skin of a child, diba? When you know that you can actually prevent sun damage and cancer, diba? So, I would always say, be on the side of caution. So, may question dito. If a day moisturizer already contains some SPF, kumbaga gumamit ka ng ibang products na may SPF, magko-compound ba siya if I add this? So, depende. Kung yung SPF nun is mas mataas, ako, I use other products like merong mga SPF 30, SPF 15. Ito kasi mas mataas, SPF 50. For Filipinos, for people who live near the equator, yung SPF 50, medyo mataas na yun. Yeah. Kasi iba yung balat din naman natin compared sa ibang mga nakatira sa lower and upper hemisphere. Okay. So anyway, how much application do I need? So apply natin sa face. So dahil wala akong makeup pa, no, lagyan natin. Sabi nila, 2-finger rule. Ano ba yung linya ko sumasayo? So 2 fingers for one side of the face. So, compare ulit natin. How fast does it absorb? So, ito daw, okay daw siya for all skin types. It doesn't matter kung, tinan nyo syempre may white cast siya, pero tinan natin kung mawawala kapag pinahid na. Actually, may scent siya, pero hindi strong. Yung scent niya parang amoy, hindi rin siya amoy gamot. Like, yung ibang sunscreen kasi, di ba, amoy gamot. Ito, ang amoy niya, very pleasant. And if I am correct, no, just like with other new skin products, the reason kung bakit may amoy siya, kasi hindi because of fragrance, but because yung ingredient na ginamit ay natural na mabango. So, what does that mean? Kasi kunwari, may content siya na flower, seed, or mga ganon, yun yung naamoy natin. So, ito, ang ingredients nito, wait lang. Magugulat kayo sa ingredients nito. Kasi nung narinig ko kanina yung ingredients niya, parang, talaga? Hindi ko alam na may ganun palang benefit yun. Wait lang, So, wait a minute. Okay, so, pakita ko sa inyo kung ano pa yung iba. Wait. So, diniscuss natin yun, no? I-share ko naman sa inyo kung ano yung contents niya. Kasi, yung contents niya, super interesting. Like, parang, posible pala yun. I found out na isa sa mga main ingredients ng product na to is actually, believe it or not, longgan. Alam niyo yung longgan? Yung longgan, parang version siya ng rambutan pero walang spikes. Hi, Coco! Parang siyang version ng rambutan without the spikes. Parang kapatid siya ng lychee. Diba? Sobrang amazing. Parang hindi ko alam na pwede pala yun. So, wait ha. Hanapin ko lang yung information. I found out kanina na wala ako. So, longgan. Alam niyo yung longgan, parang bilog lang siyang ganyan. So, yun palang ingredients niya. Isa yun sa mga, ito. So, kunwari, ito, parang, meron pa kaming mga products kasi ng sayo na lalabas. Tapos, meron siyang mga ibang ingredients na tulad ng longgan, chamomile, ganyan, mga natural occurring gum. Tapos, yun pala, pag pinaghalo-halo mo, ang bango niya, diba? So, galing. Anyway, going off topic na yun. So, ito yung, balikan ko lang, no? Ito yung product natin. Wala na rin siya eh. Ano ba? Mapapansin nyo ba? May difference ba? Okay. So, I would recommend na last step daw to ng procedure. So, after mo maglagay ng makeup, so, pwede na, kunwari, yung kasing makeup ko, I believe is also SPF 50. So, kung silang dalawa, tabla lang. So, parehas lang. Yung sun protection factor niya, parehas lang. So, when would I be using this? I would be using this for days na siguro hindi ako mag-makeup. Yeah? So, gaya niyan. If you can see, ito yung side na meron, ito yung side na wala. I wonder kung yung difference dito is because of the light. So, wala siyang protection. I mean, wala siyang coverage siya like a foundation. So, kita pa rin yung mga pimple marks ko recently. Pero as to the quality niya, medyo smooth talaga siya. Hi, Jen. Dami kong mga friends na Jen. Dami kaming Jen. Hi, Jen Lee. So, ayan o. Tapos ako, I would recommend guys na isama niyo yung tenga niyo, isama niyo yung leg niyo, kasi yan yung mga pinaka-often disregarded, forgotten areas of our face na mapapansin mo kasi minsan ito banat pero yung tenga nasusunog na pala, yung leeg drooping pa din, 'di ba? Saging pa din. So para pantay yung saging skin dito, tsaka dito in general. Yeah? So kita nyo, how does it look like? Parang feeling ko like cast lang ng light eh, pero I wonder. Sige nga, pantayin natin. I'll take a picture. Okay. Lagyan din natin itong kabila. So, 2-finger rule. Feeling ko madami yung 2 fingers for my face. Parang late lang yung face ko. Siguro baka mga 3/4 finger rule. But again, ano lang naman yun, recommendation lang yun. Para covered lahat ng areas. You can adjust. You can really totally adjust. Pero alam nyo na yung general guide. Parang kulang ba? O, malaramdaman din yun naman eh. Kasi una, hindi na siya nag-glide. Wala ka nang maipahid. Buti na nyo, kasya pa sa leg ko. Tingnan natin. Kasi hindi naman siya cosmetic dahil puti siya eh. Pag cosmetic, yung medyo may tint eh. Pero tingnan natin kung anong effect sa under eyes. Kasi parang feeling ko maputi ito. Palagay nyo. Makailaw. O mas dark talaga to. Yan. So, comparing the two sides, it does feel hydrated. It does feel moisturized. And it feels lightweight talaga. I wonder kung how it would feel. I mean, I'm excited to try this. Like, kunwari I'm out, pagpapawisan, mag-workout, or mag-garden, or ano mo yun, lalabas ka. Kasi, I really think okay na siya. So, ano yung pointers ko pa dito? Siguro, if you're really comfortable in wearing makeup, then ito talaga yung last step. So, you wear this on top of your makeup. Tapos, since you can also reapply, no? So, kunwari mag-swimming ka talaga or you're active, like magpipickleball ka, ganyan. So, you can do that. But, kung okay naman sa'yo na no makeup, and sometimes I do that, like today, I've had several meetings na today, pero no makeup. So, comfortable na ako on my skin na walang makeup. Meron lang konting lipstick, but other than that, okay na. So, yeah. Give it a try, guys. Kasi I really think this is a wonderful product, no? I mean, beauty aside, it's really I'm really more concerned with the sun exposure, it being cancer causing. So if that's also your concern, and if you want to have a more confidence under the sun na hindi ka masyadong takot sa magiging effect, sunburn, yung sobrang tan after, then this is your best bet now. Try nyo to, okay? So yun lang guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye!